Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here's the ultimate detailed roadmap to become a data scientist in 2025, even from scratch. This version is broken down week by week, includes core concepts, tools, real-world skills, learning platforms, and project ideas, all built around what hiring managers actually look for today. Target time frame, approximately 9 to 12 months. Background, beginner to intermediate, but firstly, you should have learned something related to data science. The first question is, what is data science? Data science is the process of extracting insights and knowledge from data using a mix of statistics, programming, and machine learning to solve real-world problems and make data-driven decisions. Second thing, you should know the difference between data scientist vs analyst vs machine learning engineer. The analyst explains what happened, scientist predicts what will happen, machine learning engineer builds systems that act on those predictions. Now, what is the workflow of data science? The workflow of data science is given below. 1. Define problem. 2. Collect data. 3. Clean data. 4. Explore data. 5. Build model. 6. Evaluate model. 7. Deploy and communicate result. Now comes to our main agenda. Phase 1, learn math and stats for DS, weeks 2 to 6, goal, build core intuition for analysis and machine learning. Topics, descriptive stats, mean, median, variance, distributions probability, conditional, Bayes theorem, inferential stats, hypothesis testing, p-values, CI linear algebra, vectors, dot product, matrices calculus, milliliter focus, derivatives, gradients, tools, Desmos, Wolfram Alpha, Visual Tools, Jupyter Notebook plus NumPy. Phase 2, Python for data science, weeks 7 to 10, goal, get fluent in Python and use it for data tasks. Topics, Python fundamentals, loops, functions, OOP data structures, lists, dicts, sets. Pandas and NumPy, filtering, aggregation, group by data cleaning, missing values, formatting, type conversion regex, date-time parsing tools, Jupyter, Google Colab, VS Code Pandas profiling or Y data profiling. Phase 3, SQL and databases, weeks 11 to 13, goal, master relational data handling and query. Topics, select, where, join, group by, having, subqueries CTEs and window functions, RANK, ROWNUMBER, normalization, indexes, query optimization tools, PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQLite plus DB browser platforms, LeetCode, Strata Scratch, Mode SQL. Phase 4, data visualization and communication, weeks 14 to 16, goal, communicate insights clearly and beautifully. Topics, chart types and best practices, exploratory vs explanatory visualizations, color theory, layout, interactivity, dashboards. Tools, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, Python, Tableau Public, Power BI, Looker Studio, for reporting. Phase 5, Machine Learning Foundations, weeks 17 to 22, goal, build, train, and evaluate milliliter models. Topics, milliliter workflow, train, test split, pipelines, metrics, supervised learning, linear, logistic regression, decision trees, random forests, KNN, naive Bayes unsupervised learning, clustering, K-means, DBSCAN, dimensionality reduction, PCA, libraries, Scikit-learn, XGBoost, LightGBM, MLflow, optional. Phase 6, Advanced Milliliter and Real-World ML, weeks 23 to 28, topics, cross-validation, feature engineering, hyperparameter tuning, grid search, CV, Optuna imbalanced data, SMOT, resampling time series, ARIMA, Profit, model explainability, SHAP, Lime. XGBoost, CatBoost, SHAP Profit, DARTS, for time series. Phase 6, Deep Learning and NLP goal, understand and build deep learning systems, learn, neural networks, forward, backprop, CNNs, image tasks, RNNs and LSTMs, text tasks, transformers, BERT, GPT concepts, libraries, TensorFlow, Keras or PTorch Hugging Face Transformers OpenCV, optional for image tasks, Stage 8, Portfolio, Resume, and Job Prep, ongoing, goal. Become job ready with a solid presence. To do, build portfolio site, GitHub pages, Notion, or Webflow, write Medium, blog posts on your work, prepare case studies for each project, start lead code, DSA, plus machine learning interviews. Now comes to the project topic. What project which we can make to enhance our skills and learning as well. So let's get start to build project by each skills. Mini projects for stats. 1. Simulate coin toss experiments. 2. Write your own linear regression from scratch, using only NumPy. Projects for Python. 1. Weather data analysis via API 2. Pandas either on Titanic dataset. 3. Create a personal data dashboard. Projects for visualization. 1. COVID-19 visualization dashboard. 2. Retail sales data insights. 3. Airbnb EDA report, using Kaggle dataset. Projects for machine learning. 1. Predict housing prices, Kaggle. 2. Credit card fraud detection. 3. Movie recommendation engine. Projects for deep learning and NLP. 1. Dog breed classifier, CNN. 2. Twitter sentiment analysis, LSTM or BERT. 3. Chatbot with hugging face. Projects for model deployment. 1. Deploy a movie recommender with Streamlit. 2. Dockerized REST API for image classification. 3. Portfolio website showcasing your projects. For your information, these are the projects which I mentioned here, are only for the practice point of view and enhance your skills. If you want high quality and industry level projects, then here are 5 projects. 1. AI powered resume screener, NLP plus Streamlit, Gradio. 2. End-to-end price prediction with deployment, regression plus MLOPs. 3. Customer segmentation plus recommendation system, unsupervised plus NLP plus EDA. 4. Fake news detector with real-time stream, NLP plus deployment. 5. Anomaly detection in financial transactions, time series plus unsupervised machine learning. Now comes to a bonus information. If you build a machine learning project, then it needs to deploy on a platform. So here are few best free apps, platforms for deploying machine learning models. 1. Streamlit, with Streamlit Cloud, best for quick dashboards and interactive demos. 2. Gradio, with Hugging Face Spaces, best for milliliter demo apps, especially for models like image classification, NLP, etc. 3. Render, best for Flask, fast API app deployment, alternative to Heroku. Thanks for watching this. If you have any queries regarding this, you can drop a comment or connect with me on LinkedIn and on Instagram for your queries. I will love to help you and resolve your all queries. LinkedIn and Instagram links are in the description box. Go and check and connect with me. If you are job ready person and searching for a job, then you can also reach out to me for a referral in MNCs or in the reputed companies. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.